Have you ever wondered how cow eat a grass and turn into a delicious milk?
Cow has four parts of stomach. Cow eat grass quickly. Food stored in rumen, first part of the stomach. Second part is reticulum, where it rechews food. Third part, omasum, where it makes those grass and food into tiny pieces. Fourth part is abomasum. Digestion happens here. Nutrients supply into intestines. Healthy milk stored in udder. It's so awesome, right? When a green grass turns into a milk and a healthy milk for humans to drink. Cool. For more animal facts, follow Shenbagam Magellan's YouTube channel. It's going to be so cool. Thank you for watching all of my video. Subscribe to my channel and give like and then share. Yeah.